Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a space in the PlantIn app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the PlantIn app. And here it opens up in My Plants. From here we just have to tap on Create Space. And here we can name the space. For example, living room. Like this, save. And then here we have a living room as a space, and then we can add plants in this space. For example, we can add a jade plant and tap on save to My Plants. And here, if you look at the living room, we are going to have a jade plant here. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.